So how do we actually connect our Gamesir G7 SE here to our Android? Well, the only way to do so is to of course grab if you have this right here, as you can see, this is basically the cable that you get when you actually purchase the controller, which is extremely long. So one of the ends here needs to go into our controller here, which is the USB-C end. Make sure to firmly insert it there. The other end, the problem is that the other end has a USB, obviously, so you have to bridge the gap. And I have one of those right here to be able to bridge the gap. So I have to insert the USB-C end here, or the USB end here, and the USB-C to the Android here itself, here as you can see. And then now I'm just gonna go real quick here. So you can see it's a bit messy, I'm not gonna lie, but you have to kind of do so. Unless you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, then you can just plug the USB-C here and directly plug the USB-C back here as well, as you can see. Let's see if it actually works. Well, you can see I clicked here and that worked. It's not perfect, to be completely honest with you. So if I click on settings here again, I believe you have to use these little buttons here. And then if you want to enter something, you have to click on B. Or actually maybe not. Let's try once again. Oh, it's actually this A button here. So B is back. So if I want to enter something, you can see I have to do like this. So now if I go up one, I'm gonna be taken to my account here. Okay, interesting. Yeah, it doesn't work perfectly here. As you can see, it's not really meant for connection with our phone. But yeah, basically that is exactly how you can connect your Gamesir G7 SE here, as you can see, to your Android phone.